ketosis fast. The goal of the keto diet is to increase ketone levels. If you're already on keto, try these tips to help decrease the time it takes you to get into ketosis. Eat more healthy fats. There was a trend in the 80s and 90s when people believed fat was the enemy. They believed that fat was the end-all be-all cause of a majority of health-related issues, especially heart disease. This led to the mass popularity of low-fat diets. People used to consume low-fat foods because they thought it would help them lose weight, or because they held a false belief that fat in the diet was leading directly to fat on their tummy. The main function of dietary fat is to increase energy levels and help certain body components function. For the ketogenic diet, this may mean consuming over 70% of your calories from fat. This isn't something to be afraid of. Dietary fat will not necessarily make an individual overweight. Not all fat is created equal. There are some types of fat that will provide substantial health benefits, while some should be consumed minimally. Saturated fats, for example, can be eaten in moderation with foods such as coconut oil, MCT oil, and raw butter. More on MCTs below. Monounsaturated fats have the role of protecting the heart and fat storage. Some good food choices include avocados, macadamia nuts, and olive oil. Polyunsaturated fats include both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, such as in cardo by HVMN. Omega-3 reduces inflammation and supports healthy hormone levels and should be consumed more frequently with fatty food choices such as flaxseed and salmon. Omega-6, on the other hand, has an important role in brain and muscle function, but should be consumed in much lesser quantities. The worst form of fat to include in one's diet is trans fat. It comes by way of an industrial process that makes vegetable oils solid. It was widely used as a food additive in restaurants and packaged goods in the mid-20th century, but is less widely used today. Check ingredient lists on packages and look out for trans fat, avoiding it whenever possible. There are a number of keto-compliant food choices containing healthy fats, including coconut and avocado oil. Avocados, cheese, eggs, meats, especially fatty fish like salmon. By incorporating a diet containing several of these items, a state of nutritional ketosis will occur. Coupled with low carbohydrate intake, high fat consumption can kickstart ketosis and help you maintain that state of ketosis. Eat keto-friendly food you enjoy. One of the biggest keys to any successful diets is finding food you enjoy to eat. Sounds simple enough, but one of the main reasons dieters fail is because they're forcing themselves to eat bland, unappetizing food. By creating a diverse and exciting meal plan, it may help you sustain the diet. Some of the most popular keto-friendly foods include green vegetables such as asparagus, lettuce, greens, broccoli. Low-carb fruit options such as blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Meats such as beef, chicken, pork, and fish. Cheeses such as Swiss, provolone, Gouda, Munster, cheddar, feta, mozzarella. Avocado oil. Macadamia nuts, pecans, seeds. Beef jerky. For beverage options, coffee, unsweetened tea, club soda, water. These are just a few examples of some of the foods that you may enjoy on a ketogenic diet. Of course, taste is individual. Take joy in eating, and seek out keto-compliant foods you actually want to eat. Who knows, your palate could change while you're on keto, and you could find yourself craving foods you never thought you'd like. Hello, Brussels sprouts. Maintain an adequate protein intake following a ketogenic diet doesn't mean protein levels will drop. If anything, protein levels may even increase a little. Eating enough protein is beneficial as it may help prevent muscle breakdown. 7. A moderate protein intake also helps you feel more satiated after eating. A diet that is high fat and moderate protein can help to prevent feelings of hunger even when eating in a caloric deficit. 8.